Xiami followed Xie Yuhan and Zhang Roxy to the small park on campus, where she overheard Xie Yuhan telling a boy to stop pestering her. The boy seemed awkward, sometimes mistaking Zhang Roxy for Xie Yuhan's older brother and other times for an uncle. Xiami, watching from the side, couldn't bear it anymore. She tossed her bag to Lin Ruli and ran over to help, dramatically pretending to cry and act like a third party had intruded on her relationship. The boy, seeing through the act, explained that he had staged this scene because Xie Yuhan had hurt his friend's feelings in the past. Not long after, Fan Yuan passed by, overhearing the group whispering. Just as he was about to approach and ask, Teacher Dai appeared, and everyone scattered in different directions like startled birds. Back at the dorm, Zhang Roxy sent Xiami a text asking if she got caught. Just as Xiami picked up her phone to reply, the dorm manager spotted her during the inspection and confiscated her phone. Frustrated, Xiami couldn't help but feel that Zhang Ruoxi was a jinx in her life. The next day, Wang Xiaoyu asked Xiami to write a challenge letter to the day students. Xiami thought it was making a mountain out of a molehill, but seeing how serious Wang Xiaoyu was, she reluctantly put on a bold demeanor and wrote the letter. Wang Xiaoyu delivered the challenge to Xiao Juni, who consulted Zhang Roxy about it. Zhang Roxy thought the challenge was unnecessary, but after being provoked repeatedly by Wang Xiaoyu, Xiao Juni decided to accept it on his own. When the math test results were released, both Zhang Roxy and Fan Yuan scored full marks. Xiami was stunned. How could Zhang Roxy, who spent all his time on the basketball court, achieve such a score? She could only complain about how unfair life was. After class, Zhang Roxy gave her an inspirational bookmark, and Xiami started to feel like Zhang Roxy might not be such a bad person after all. As they were talking, several classmates rushed to the playground, announcing that the boarders and day students were competing in a match. The match was a human caterpillar race where each team rode an inflatable caterpillar. The day students easily won the first round, leaving Wang Xiaoyu indignant and insisting on a best of three. When Zhang Roxy and Xiami arrived at the playground, they found both sides arguing heatedly. Zhang Roxy stepped in to mediate, and they agreed to restart the match to decide the winner. Xiami joined the boarders team, taking the lead in chanting the rhythm. Near the finish line, the day students lost coordination, and one of their members fell, causing a delay that allowed the boarders to win the round. With each side having one victory, tensions remained high. Someone proposed settling the competition with academic scores, and this time, no one objected. Although the boarders had top students like Fan Yuan and Tian Jarong, Xiami's poor math scores made her a concern for the team. Back in the classroom, Wang Xiaoyu immediately created a study plan for Xiami. She confiscated her magazines and novels, promising her some free time for each completed practice test. Remembering the ridicule she had faced for her poor grades, Xiami resolved to give it her all. Seeing how stressed Xiami was about studying, Zhang Roxy borrowed her favorite magazine from the library and gave it to her. Unfortunately, Liu Dayu noticed and reported it to Wang Xiaoyu, who, along with Fan Yuan, scolded Xiami for befriending the enemy. Panicked, Xiami quickly returned the magazine and swore never to betray the boarders. Fan Yuan prepared to show Xiami's favorite movie during self-study, only to discover that Zhang Ruoxi liked the same film. As the movie played in class, Xiami was still busy taking notes. Xiami didn't relax for a single moment, even reciting vocabulary while walking to and from class. One day, she ran into her old middle school classmate, Jiang Li, who was shocked to see that someone like Xiami, who she thought had no academic talent, had made it into the top high school. Jiang Li kept calling Xiami by her old nickname, which annoyed Lin Roli. Noticing Jiang Li's manicured nails, Lin Roli threatened to report her to the school office, scaring her away. However, when Xiami returned to the classroom, her old nickname had already spread like wildfire among the students.